About your luck, money, and health. The best part of this life is that your body parts, like your palm, your feet, reveal a lot about the money flow, hidden struggles, and the love life. So, according to the Shastra, your soul speak about your destiny. So, now let's understand what signs are shown on your soul that indicates about your luck. So, your palms and the soles are the power center. They reveal how strong your luck and financial energies really are. So, from your palm, from the shape of your palm, from the color of your palm, you can understand a lot about your life. So, let's understand step by step your feet as it is a map where you have been and where you are going. So, the first sign on your palm is the texture of your palm. Is the texture of your soul is soft. Heel looks very good and healthy, no cracks, no cut. That indicates that you are the person who enjoy comfort, happiness and prosperity. You have a good Venus planet. You bring luck in others' life as well as you are the lucky one. Wherever you go, you bring luck into the surroundings. So you must have noticed after the birth of a girl or after the birth of a child or after the marriage, the planets keep changing, the luck keep changing. So you must have noticed after the childbirth or after a person is getting married, sometimes people grow a lot luck wise, sometimes there is a downfall. The reason is which type of planet a person is bringing in your life, that totally depends. So the women who have a soft healthy feet, that indicates that the person is going to bring the good luck in person's life. The same way the person have a soft good healthy soul, that indicates that the person is going to bring good happiness, prosperity and overall happiness wherever the person goes. Now, if the color of the soul is yellow color, that indicates that the person is very lazy at times. Happiness comes only after the sacrifices. Money arrives, but it arrives slow. So these people get success slowly, gradually, and it has been noticed the people who have a yellow color soul, these people see success and then again there is a halt. Getting expansion in life become difficult for them. If you have a cracked heels, this is actually an alarming situation. This indicates a person is very hardworking but with the slow results. These people see lot of obstacles, challenges in life, even they overthink a lot. It has been noticed that these people become very difficult for these people to be in the present moment. Most of the time they are in the past or they are in the future. They face a lot of obstacles and challenges in the life, overall money wise, finances wise. So if you also have cracked heels, make sure that you are going with a proper treatment. Go for a pedicure, take care of your heels, try to apply cow ghee daily. This will help you out to enhance your Venus planet. This is a major sign. If a person have a cracked heels, that indicates that the person's Venus is afflicted. That means the comfort is missing in your life. You will at every point of time you are going to face the setbacks and the problems in your life. Now, from the gap between the toes, you will get to know a lot of things. If a person have gaps between the toes and there is a big gaps, that indicates a lot of confusion, low confidence. These people are bad in expressing themselves in their relationship, in their personal life, as well as in their professional life. If there is a more gap between the toes, that represent frequent problems in their life. Small, some of the other problems keep on coming in a life. They face a lot of health issues. Even if it has been noticed, people who have a gaps between the toes, they face lot of ups and downs in life. If a person have a very small feet, these people are very much into shopping and they have emotional distance too. People with a very small feet feel happiest within their own inner world. They at times they feel very isolated. They're happy in their own inner world and sometimes they overthink a lot too. So the person who have a thumb and the second toe are at the same length. If the thumb and the second toe are at the same length, that means that the person is have a natural ability to influence those around you. They have a very good influencing power. They can become a good salesperson. They can inspire people very easily around them. So this is a good sign for the people who are into the sales profile or the people who are into any field which is related to influencing others. If a person have a long thumb with a balanced toes as shown here, that means a person is a very creative one, very artistic, and even these people are very good in research and creative field too. Usually, it has been noticed people who have a long thumb with a balanced toes. This indicates that majorly these people get success in life at the age of 36 to 42. uh, Even from your size of your sole too, you can a lot of things can be indicated. If a person have a long sole, that indicates that the person will be very careless, at the same time relaxed too. Such person get luck support. These people are very lucky and luck supports them. Success often come to them very easily as compared to the people who have a small soles. People who have a small souls, these people overthink a lot. They have a problem of anxiety, depression, overthinking. They become panic in small thing. Their mind is very restless. Success usually requires harder struggle. They have to go through a lot of challenges and obstacles in life. After challenges and obstacles only they get the success. Usually it has been noticed people who have a small soul, these people see a lot of ups and downs and obstacles and struggles also in the life. A very good sign on your soul. A soul is, it has been known that if there is a clear long line, big toe coming from the big toe as shown in the picture, this indicates that the person is going to get a high success in life, will be of the grounded nature and will be going to reach to the top with their own hard work. In starting, they are going to face a lot of problems, struggles, and obstacles, but gradually and slowly, they are going to get huge success and respect and name, fame, and success too. A very good sign on your toe. If the big toe is shorter than the second one, a clear sign of rising fortune. Your path is defined by the constant growth. If the thumb is shorter as compared to the big toe, that indicates these people are very lucky. It is a clear sign that these people are going to see a lot of abundance, prosperity, and they are very lucky to their partner too. Wherever they go, they easily attract luck, fortune, and money in their life. So they are going to see the consistent growth in their life. Just they have to make sure that in this life too, they are working on the karma. So these people are the lucky one. If a person have a smallest toe, that means like the smallest toe is very small and the nails are very weak, that indicates that signals that they are going to face a problem in their marriage. So if the last one, a very small very small finger is very small in size, that indicates a problem in the marriage. A lot of time it has been noticed that these people go through two marriages too, and they face a lot of obstacles and the struggles in the marriage. If there is a well informed and long and a powerful sign, the last finger, the smaller finger is a longer one. That indicates a powerful money sign. The people get wealth very easily, and wealth never runs out from them. If the toes is crooked, uneven toes, this indicates a complex and the romantic life. You're likely to experience two important relationship or marriage. High possibility they are going to face a lot of obstacles and the challenges in their marriage, and even there is a possibility of the two marriages too. A very thick big toe. If the big toe is very thick, as shown in the picture, this is not a good sign. This indicates the health issues. So make sure that on the regular basis you are going with the checkups. On the regular basis you are praying to Lord Shiva, because this shows the health issues. And if possible, then try to donate jaggery to the needy every Tuesday. This will help you to overcome the challenges in your life, because this is a clear sign that a person may face the health issues. So it is advisable that on the regular basis you are going with the proper checkups. A very beautiful sign on your toes is if there is a natural even color and a pink color toes, pinkish toes, that indicates wealth, comfort, luxury. That means a person is a very lucky one. You have a good Venus planet. Wherever you go, you attract luxury, comfort, and success in your life. The yellow color, if it is a yellow color, that indicates dissatisfaction in the marriage or the partnership. These people need to be little bit conscious when it comes to the marriage and the partnership. Make sure, because this is a karmic sign which has been sown or shown on your soul, so make sure on the regular basis you are doing the full moon fasting. This will help you to overcome the challenges in your life. So if you have a mixed color, then that means you're very clever. And these people harm others for their own gains. At times, it has been noticed they become very greedy, and they sometimes get attracted towards the wrong things also, just to take the shortcuts in the line. If the straight line is coming from the big toes, that shows a sharp intelligence, a lucky one. Gradually and slowly, you are going to increase, you are going to see the growth in your life and overall happiness in your life. If there is a fewer lines and the clear lines, that indicates that the person is very luckier one, and the person is going to see a lot of positive changes in their life too. And this indicates that with time, you are going to become more luckier after the age of 30 to 32. If there are a lot of cuts, cross checks on your soul, that indicates instabilities, job instability, constant struggles in the life. This is a very important sign on your soul. If you have a shank or a chakra on your soul, as shown in this picture, that indicates that these people can become a very good guru, leaders, and their souls are very good. They have come on this earth to guide people in the right direction, to give their proper guidance to the people. If there is a mole on the foot, that indicates struggle and risk of leg injuries is high. A life is full of travel. If there is a mole on the soul, that means that the person will keep on traveling. And if this become lighter or fades with time, that means that the travel is going to reduce with time. So check your palm and do let me know that what all signs you have in on your palm. And if you're looking to on your palm and on your soul, if you're looking